Hello and welcome back to Traverse City Guide.
Tonight we're at Firebird Pizza in Traverse City. They specialize in pizzas baked in just 180 seconds. You can design your own pizza and watch it bake right in front of you. I'll take you along as we pick our toppings, watch the magic happen in their oven, and show you everything you can expect when you visit. So let's get started. Firebird Pizza is conveniently located right off of Garfield Avenue, next to Steve's Smokin' Barbecue. Once inside, head left for Firebird Pizza or right for Steve's Barbecue. You'll be greeted by a menu board showcasing all of the options for your pizza. Firebird offers a Neapolitan-style pizza crust as well as gluten-free and cauliflower crust options. You can choose from a variety of sauces, meats, and veggies, or select one of their specialty pizzas. Firebird Pizza has plenty of seating, and the best part is getting to watch your pizza made fresh right in front of you. For my pizza, I ordered the Porky Pie, which came with barbecue sauce, smoked pulled pork, pineapple, goat cheese instead of feta, and mozzarella. Our second pizza was a build-your-own creation with red sauce, pineapple, banana peppers, pickles, smoked pork, green peppers, and more. After selecting our toppings, the pizzas took a quick trip to the oven, and within 180 seconds, they were done. If you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way for the channel and we truly appreciate it. We have over 100 videos in our library to help you plan your trip to Traverse City. Once the pizza comes out of the oven, you can top them with whatever you'd like, from ranch, hot honey, or pesto. Firebird also has plenty of TVs for those who want to dine in and watch sports. The space feels both premium and comfortable, making it an ideal spot for a casual night out or a gathering with friends. Unfortunately, the weather had other plans for us, so we decided to take our pizzas home. My Porky Pie was absolutely incredible. A combination of barbecue sauce, goat cheese, pineapple, and house smoked pork, and mozzarella was out of this world. Each bite was bursting with flavor, and the pulled pork, courtesy of Steve's Smokin' Barbecue, was perfection. This was a great crust that held up to the toppings. At $13.99 with the unlimited toppings, the value is unmatched. It's no surprise Firebird has a 5-star review on Google. The generous portions of high-quality toppings truly delivered a premium pizza experience. This was some of the tastiest pizza we've had in Traverse City yet, and from the dough to the toppings, everything was phenomenal. The staff was friendly and helpful, making our visit even better. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode. We really enjoyed our time at Firebird, and we can't wait to show you what's coming next. Until next time, I'm Justin.